And welcome back to another edition of the LG G Stylo 13 megapixel camera review. Today I'm in the rain, as you guys can see. I just wanted to see how good this high definition 13 megapixel camera would distinguish the raindrops and also distinguish all of the sound effects that's taking place in this rainy atmosphere. Also, as you can tell, I'm walking. The optic stabilization is pretty darn good downtown. You can get a look at the skyscrapers. Also some familiarity with the construction work that's going on. Let's get some zooming on here. The workers. Okay. Alright. Keeps going on with some traffic here. Truly impressed with 13 megapixels. Like I said, I filmed it the other day in the park. Now downtown. You can see that fog in the air down there is very thick. See some skyscrapers. To say the least, I'm impressed. Okay, you guys, and that was another review of the LG G Stylo 13 megapixel camera in the rain, and I'm out here walking in it, filming for you guys. And I'm gonna give this 13 megapixel camera a 5 out of 5, just because I've been trying out every range to use it in, and it's been successful. So like this video and subscribe. Let me guys know what you think about it. I'll see you in the next video. Later.